Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new video, guys. So in this video we will talk about how to find the most trending topic and search keyword, and also in this video I will explain to you how to use Google Trend and how to find the most searched keyword for your videos. So first, what is Google Trend? Google Trend is a search feature that shows you how frequently a search term is entered into Google search engines. It can be Google search, Google image, or YouTube, or all the Google product. And this service can give you how much volume any search term is searched for based on multiple filters like the zone, geographic zone, and the time period, and a lot of filter, as you will discover with me, guys, in this video. So first, go over Google Trend. You don't need to type anything, guys. I will leave all the links on the description, so just type on those three line here, as you can see, and here you will have all those features. We are interested right now on explore, and then after clicking on explore you can type here a specific term if you want those statistics to be for this specific term, but let's just make this general in order to chase the most searched topic in general. So here we have worldwide. So those are the 5 most searched topic in worldwide. So as you can see, guys, my niche is related to technology and everything related to laptops and software and technology. So as you can see, you can notice is that the Google Classroom topic is the 5 most searched term here, and TikTok, as you can see, is the fourth one, and there is a virus. This related to corona, because coronavirus now is the most searched term. Let's edit this period to 30 day, and that's what I like. I prefer 30 day, and as you can see, when I edit this period to 30 day, you can see that the Google Classroom topic become the second most searched keyword right now. And you can make this search based on your specific niche. So right now, guys, let's pick this Google Classroom, as you can see, and let's search for this topic, just to have an idea about what people are posting about this subject, to have some idea about the titles and the subject in general. So as you can see, here are the video about the Google Classroom. Getting started. This video is about 1.8 million, 1.3 million. So this niche have a lot of views coming on this specific topic, as you can see. So that's how you plan your video, guys. So right now you will just go and make some research and prepare your video, film your video and everything, and after producing your video to chase the most searched keyword, then all you need to do is go over this popular website keyword called Keyword Tool, and here select the tab YouTube. All the links, guys, will be in the description, so just click in the description and here type Google Classroom. So here, guys, this website will give you the most used keyword search on YouTube, and those keywords are classified, as you can see, classified for depending on the volume, the search volume, as you can see. From the biggest search volume to the lowest search volume, as you can see. So all you need to do is pick out about 10 to 15 depending on your keyword space, because keyword space now of YouTube is very limited. So you take those first keywords here and click here on this orange icon here, and then click on copy to clipboard. Here, as you can see, 12 keyword is copied, and here are my keyword. And what I like about this website, all those keywords are separated by comma, and you can pass them directly to your video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free, and don't forget to give me a like and a comment if you want to ask about something. Thank you guys for watching Fix It Free.